This is Katina, and in this scale tutorial video, I did it. I got it all out. We're going to start with E flat. This is an E flat scale. You're starting on the side. You're going to move up to your F right here. So you have 1, 2, your thumb in the back, side, bottom key right there. Use the side of your index finger for E flat. Keep these fingers curved as well. I see a lot of crazy E flats with the hands bunched up like that. E flat right there, moving up to F, G. Keep these fingers curved and close to the keys. You're moving into a C soon, so you want them right there ready to go. You're going to do a side A flat right here, this one, and then B flat right there. So index finger and your thumb in the back. So A flat to B flat is a nice little roll. Barely move your fingers for this one, and then drop to a C. Everything is down. You've got the C key right here, and then the register key in the back is pressed open. We've got C, lift up for D, and just bring that pinky right around for E flat. So it's a nice motion right there in your pinky. C, D, E flat. Going back down, E flat, D, C. B flat here again, so thumb and index finger. And then you're going to go to that side, A flat. So just drop into that. Open G is a gentle lift there. Drop to F, and you landed on your E flat. And that is your E flat scale. So if you have any questions or suggestions for videos, please comment and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks.